Yo, what's happening my charge people? Welcome back to the channel. As you see from the last video, we added the intake and jeez, it sounds 10-10. Right, on this video, what we're gonna do, we're gonna fit a stainless exhaust. You know I travelled 400 miles just to pick it up. Check it out. Long life. Oh yeah. That's gonna sound good. Cat back. Right. Let's get going, let's get it up in the air and everything, let's get it fitted up. Stay charged, yo. Hit that subscribe button, which is the Charge Guru's icon. Do you know what? I'm really looking forward to seeing how this is going to sound, because when that VVTi kicks in, sick. But let's give it a start up now. Anyways, to show you how the original exhaust sounds compared to when we install this. Ooh, yeah buddy. Cat back, sick. I think it's gonna sound good. Let's start it up. Just on start, that sounds alright for an original system, you know. Cheese. That sounds alright. Right, let's get this system on.
Huh?
Do you want me to give it the shove up?
Ah, that's cool, man.
And now we can see what it looks like underneath too.
Yeah.
Just having a quick little look underneath. It looks fucking nice underneath there.
It's clean. It is clean. That's right, you've got a join there. We can split the back box off and then split it from the front.
Bang on.
It's
And the other one's one piece.
Yeah.
Right, before we remove this, shall we just make sure the pipe is going the exact same way?
Yeah.
That'll be an idea, isn't it?
Well, it should be.
Yeah. Well, here's off the T-swap. Up and over.
Hanger. Horseshoe.
It's alright.
Should be a hanger on the front there.
Yep. Angry.
Yeah. That's it. Perfecto.
I think this is gonna definitely flow a lot better, because look at them boxes as well down there. Yeah. It's always good to check the system and everything before you start removing everything, because otherwise you're gonna end up taking it off and then putting it back on and this and that, and yeah.
38.76. Not gonna fit.
What? It's got had an original cat on as well.
It's big, I told you. 38.76. Alright, might be a bit tight though.
Right, giving it all brush down so we can hopefully get a socket or something on there. Try and get the bolts off here. It's supposed to be a captain nut behind, but it's just turning. Get the rear box off and then try the rest. What happens when you got rusty bolts?
I can't hold the box now, you're going to have to hold the pipe with one hand.
Yep, off. Fucking rusty bolts.
Sweet.
Right, gonna undo the shock and hopefully bring that beam down.
What I'm trying now,
Yeah.
now when it's sitting on the beam, it's dropped it. Let's see if we can get the exhaust in. It's just the fact that it's lower down to the ground.
Sweet. You mean back
Get
into
yours
the
on,
hangers.
yeah.
We
Yeah.
can't. We need to cut a bit of the bumper.
Oh no.
Yeah.
I
Unfortunately.
thought as much. I thought as much.
Boom boom.
You don't do anything by half, do you? You fucking come to me with your problems.
Well, you know, I thought it was a direct bolt on. Right, well, that's basically where we need to be, right?
No, because this is totally in the wrong position. There.
Ah. Can I not? Nah, I can't push it up enough
Hang on.
onto the rubber.
Right, go. Hang on. Right, that's the back on.
Oh. Right,
That's the back on.
mark that up. That looks nice.
Yeah. Which one?
Yeah.
Right on that flange.
What, where it's...
Yeah, where it's recessed there.
Okay, where it's that
Right
little...
there.
Right there, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you...
No, here.
Okay. And that should,
Because then you've got
fingers
that
crossed.
much. Because by the time that comes up,
Yeah.
that'll go in further.
And that should
I could even cut
theoretically
it there if you want.
sleeve. Would that still sleeve on then?
That should.
If we cut it there, that should be more
Yeah.
than enough, innit?
Yeah, it gives us to play with.
Yeah,
I assume it'd be a bit longer than shorter.
that's it.
Right.
Otherwise, I'm rolling without an exhaust.
Yeah.
Anyone want to buy a cat? No, I'm joking.
I don't feel comfortable to cut it with a grinder under here.
We can't even bloody take it out.
No.
Hacksaw.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking, bro.
I think so. Hacksaw. Oh yes. We're going to be flowings. Do you know what? I actually thought we weren't going to get this done, but my brother said, using his head, and he was like, yeah man, we're going to get this done. Struggled to get that rear box off, then used a bit of heat. He was like, boom, crack that nut off. And yeah, then we're thinking how we're going to get the pipe through and this and that straight pipe. Moved the axle stands so that beam dropped down slightly, and then we manoeuvred it through. Yeah man, do you know what? Happy with the result. He smashed it. Jeez, look at that. That looks lovely. What do you think? Looks good, innit?
Yeah. Looks smart.
Yeah man.
Yeah, but I just need to get everything lined up before I cut out this bumper.
Listen man, he knows. My brother, as he said, yeah, he come out here for a peaceful life and I come disturbed it. As you do, you know. Nah, we ain't gonna do some crazy ones. But yeah, look at that. That looks good. That's the old pipe. Bun that pipe. New pipe. That's how they used to do it back in the days, you know, when they didn't invent electric tools, right?
That's it.
We've gone back to the old school.
No compressor.
Yeah, literally used an angle grinder, but that was it. Just to get this on. What a lovely guy he is. Right, moment of truth. Yeah, man.
That is sweet, no glow whatsoever.
Sound a bit like a Civic, or what? Listen to that. Yo, that sounds sick. Wait until we get the VVTi kicking in as well. Oh, brother. Jeez.
Sit down and fucking
That is a wrap. Alright, now the hard graft's done. Let's take it for a spin, yo.
drive.
Oh, that sounds good. Just cruising along, that sounds banging.
That sounds alright.
That sounds sick. Yo, that sounds sick! Especially with the intake as well. Yo,
That's
bro, you smashed it. Jeez! Right, now we're gonna get the VVTi to kick in. Oh, that was a little pop! Oh shit! Yes! Right, let's do this. Yeah, man. That's banging. That's fucking banging.
That's good. That's good.
There was a little pop back then as well. Hey, this is sick. Love it. Intake, exhaust, 10-10, yo. Jeez. Yo, do you know what? I'm happy the way that sounds because I ain't really heard much Toyota Corolla T-Sports with an exhaust system. So yeah, let me know what you all think in that comments section, and make sure you hit that subscribe button, which is the Charge Gurus icon, and that. Hope you all stay charged, yo, and yeah, stay tuned, stay blessed, yo. Cheers.